Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to discuss 15 different ways to say sorry or expressing apology. And first, let me introduce myself. My name is Raissa Husna, and I made this video for fulfill an assignment for basic speaking class. The definition of apologize means to admit you know you did something wrong or seek for forgiveness. And today we're going to discuss 15 ways to express your apologize. First, we have excuse or reason. An excuse is used to avoid responsibility. When we shift the blame, we avoid responsibility for failure, and we also avoid responsibility for learn from the failure. And there's a reason the other people might have played a role in my failure, but my behavior and my decision are also a part of my equation. 2. We have apologize, reason, and promise. It will be general in English. Apologize. First, we have apologize. For example, we say, I'm sorry I'm late. After that, we say a reason why we late. I'm sorry I'm late because I missed the bus. And after that, we have a promise. And we promise I'll be careful next time. These 3 things is most thing when we do apologize. Number 3, we have what you repeat. For example, in this situation, we say, I'm sorry, I do apologize. You must have been waiting for ages. And meanwhile, after that, 2 hours or 3 hours, we say again, I'm so sorry to keeping you waiting like this. And after that, meanwhile, 3 hours or 2 hours, we say again, I'm so sorry to keeping you waiting like this. It can show how guilty we are when we do apologize. Number 4, we have adverbs. Usually when we say apologize, we use so or very. For example, like I'm so sorry or I'm very sorry. This can show how very guilty we are. And number 5, we have word stress. For example, when we say I'm sorry, and if you feel really guilty, you can say I am very sorry. When we say I am, we stress that word for show how guilty we are. Number 6, we have intonation. When we say sorry, we have intonation like this. I'm so sorry. Maybe some people just think it can be how trivial, but when we say I'm so sorry, that means we are really guilty, but we mistake, right? But some people think this word can be sarcasm for some situation. Number 7 is eye contact. When we making eye contact during the apologize, it will be explain how guilty we are. But some culture, they are not doing this thing. They look it down when they are say apologize. Number 8 is I'm afraid that. When you say I'm confident that, it will be more natural. If you say I'm afraid I haven't, it will be more natural. Number 9, we have past apologize. It's one difference, the one between I'm sorry to hear that and I'm sorry I hear that. It's similar, but it's more common confusing if we were this I sorry to have plus past participle. For example, I'm sorry to have away given your secret. Number 10 is regret. Regret and apologize, they would have some meaning, depends of the conversation. And regret is when you feel sad or disappointed about something you did or you didn't. And apologize is when you know you did something wrong or said something wrong to someone. For example, I apologize for leaving you behind, and I will regret for the rest of my life for leaving you behind. Number 11 is excuse me. It's mainly used to get someone's attention or asking in the past. For example, when you say excuse me for you haven't heard the speaker, you say excuse me, can you repeat the sound, something like that. Number 12 is pardon me or I beg your pardon. Pardon me is the way to say sorry. for doing something wrong or being rude, and I beg your pardon is how to show that you are angry about something that someone said. For example, like, I beg your pardon, young man, I didn't want to hear you speak like that again. Number 13 is the right amount of apologizing. First, acknowledge. Be the first one to admit you did something wrong. Don't deny or rebut. Next, accept. This can begin for a healing process or shut down any victim blaming. Next is amend. While it's important to ask him forgiveness, keep it in your mind. May the other person is not be ready for that. Number 14 is apologizing without accept the responsibility. Accept full responsibility is easier to do to get over your problem, because when you forgiving yourself for mistake is easier to do. When you recognize where you went wrong and how your own action could have made a difference, that where you learn to do something better or just different. Number 15 is formality. When you do something wrong or said something wrong to someone, you said sorry, you said apologize. You need to say sorry to erase someone's public life and equally at home with your family, with your friend, but wherever it ever means, how well it received depends on how personalized it feels. That's all from me. Thank you.